What's up? Good morning, chat. Hope you guys are well. Starting the stream a little bit late today. In terms of GJ, there wasn't really anything too clean here. Gold. What I was looking at when I had a glimpse of the chart just now is we've got this most recent resistance on the hourly right here. Can adjust that on the 30 minutes. 1742. Alright, if we're closing above 1742 with London open volume, I would expect us to push up to the top of this range, since let's just delete this. Since we can see that price is in a range right now. Alright. Yesterday we actually closed bullish. Now, I did discuss possible scenarios here on gold that, you know, we definitely could expect some sort of pullback, potentially back up even into 1780, but we need some sort of pullback here. Most probably setting up for December FOMC. Alright, so for the day, daily closing bullish. I don't mind looking for buys here to potentially fill this range. We'll have to see how the London open candle opens up. There's a lot of volume in this previous hourly candle, and we've got about 40 pips left to fill this hourly range right here. If we can retrace on this hourly candle, new hourly creates a nice steep bottom wick, and we can get in on the flip of the new candle. You know, there's range here to go break even as we fill this previous hourly wick. Even right now, with a wick like that, 13 pips or so, I'll be looking at buys here on gold at London open. GJ. Alright, so I drew this arrow in yesterday. I said overall we are still bullish on GJ. Alright, so if you were selling, taking sales yesterday morning, sure, that would have worked out. Alright, but I said understand that this is a counter trend trade. Alright, and we will be looking to retest this previous resistance for further buys back up. So I'd love to know if anyone caught these buys off of support, because you did have quite a nice clean setup here for New York, basically, or pre-New York. Alright, but it's a new day. We've also got some news here for the pound in an hour and a half, PMI. What's up, everybody? Alright, so for GJ, technically speaking, I'm looking for buys. So I really want to see this news come out positive for the pound. If it does not, or if numbers come out mixed, we could see further rejection off of this level at 168.200. Could see further pullbacks, further ranging. Alright, but with good news for the pound and breaks above 168.200, we can look for those continuation buys. Looking to the left here on the 30-minute, there's also a level right here at 168.290 that we just need to be aware of. So pretty much the same idea as yesterday. If our hourly candle can close above 168.200, I'll be looking for buys above there. And then 30-minute candle closures or anything else above 168.290, buys above there. Right now we are showing signs of rejection to 168.200, but I'm not really interested in sells within this range. Alright, this is just, I want to stay out of this. Not worth it. We can see DXY further pullbacks here, or DXY weakness, which supports these gold buys. Doesn't look like we're going to get that ideal wick fill setup here. Looks like we may just close right in the middle of this range, which makes it very tricky for me to go about buys here. There are levels of potential rejection. 30 minutes we can see right here. I suppose 30 minutes, if we can close above here on the 30 minute, that's also fine. Pulling back a little bit more, leaving us that top wick to fill now. So looking good here on gold. GJ, I'm just going to be waiting for the news on GJ. If we can get a trade here on gold, then I'm not even going to worry about the news. Okay, so we've closed above 166.44. Sorry, what am I saying? 16.44. We've got a wick to fill here. I would need to see a further pullback, a nice bottom wick being created. Previous 15 had no bottom wick, so if we could just come down, create that bottom wick for the previous 15, then potential entries on the break of this current candle high. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm looking for here. Stops. This is tricky. Alright, so I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of this current candle high. Looks like we may use current candle stops. Keep in mind this is London Open, so we pulling back London Open after quite an aggressive move to the upside. So just grabbing some liquidity to potentially further continue further up. Yeah, I'll be using current candle stops. So we just need to see how far this current candle pulls down. If that's the bottom wick, then we're looking at about 22 pips for our stop loss here. We could still come back and retest 1742. Then we'd be looking at closer to 30 pip stops. Targets here are about 37 pips away. As we should. So just something to keep in mind with the news. So the PMI data is going to give us some insight into the UK economy. DXY looks like we've closed back below 107, that previous resistance. Also just giving us a little pullback at London Open, looking to maybe fill this range, looking for further dollar weakness throughout the day. And that's the same story on gold. Okay, so it looks like that could be our bottom wick here on gold. If that's the case, stops here are about 23 pips. Our break-even point is going to be about 11 pips away from entries here. What the hell is this? What's up, Justin? Five-minute close bullish. Looks like we may be forming support right here on this previous resistance. What's up? Yeah, man. No, you guys are muted for now. If you want to talk. Pushing up here, chat. Nah, you guys are not on stream just yet. Talking cuck here.
The money tomorrow.
Oh, fuck. So, Jared, you can become a gamer now.
So you and Jared play GTA. Well, Jared, you can play with Connor, bro. You guys can play GTA.
Nah. I hardly ever play.
Connor, Jared's gonna be a baller because he's gonna have my account.
Is he gonna have your account?
I'm gonna leave my account on until I'll like start playing games again, maybe next year, like middle of next year. Then
Okay. What if I took one of your cars and then I put it in my garage? Would it stay there?
No, my friend, you cannot do that. You can't drive it into your garage.
That's bullshit.
But I'm willing to sell Nikki's account.
Bullshit.
I'm willing to sell Nikki's account. Dude, I think...
How much?
When I get it, I think I'll do it for 3.5 grand.
He wants his money back. Exactly. I think my account's that cheap.
And gets a free PlayStation, basically.
Exactly. So I think I'm gonna buy Modern Warfare 2. Is that the new one that came out?
I think so, yeah.
I'm not sure.
I think I'm gonna buy that tomorrow.
What do you mean you're gonna buy it tomorrow? don't buy this, dog. Like, buy it on the console, on your profile. So
Yeah.
when you get the PlayStation, create your profile, and then you're gonna see you're gonna have to buy PlayStation Network. That's
Yeah.
like allows you to play online.
Yeah.
You'll just see the different packages they offer, because like you get an upgraded platinum package, like a premium or whatever, and then all that it does basically, it allows you to play, like there's a few games you can go download for free, and then you can play them like whenever, as long as you have PSN. So maybe look at that before you buy any games. It won't have Call of Duty, but there will be some dope ass games on the like really hard packages, okay?
Alright.
And you can pay for the full year basically, and then like I said, you download whatever. But then
for the year.
I'm not sure, bro. Like I never, when the new ones came out, I didn't even buy any of them because that came out this year, the new packages that they have. Yeah, but I think before it was 750 for a full year, 750 rand for a full year. I think it is like 1.2 now because they added way more shit to it. Like you get way more benefits. Like, so yeah, I think that's why it's more expensive. But you get the cheap one still for 750, I think. So,
What's
what's
Bogdan Tom?
So Bogdan is the mission I took you on with the submarine, Connor. With Justin,
Yes.
like all the time I came to GTA, I was the baller, so I had to take all these fucking things for that same mission. So to get to
Did you do the same thing with Justin? Eh? Yeah.
All of them, but not like 5 of them, bro. I had to take for the same
Worth
shit,
it.
bro. Bro, did you think I was joking when I said I've done that submarine mission like 300 times? I was not capping, my friend. I've done that stupid mission that much.
What's up, Trader X?
Okay, wait. Last question before we move on. Niku, can I have my own profile and your profile on the same PS4?
Yeah, bro, you can have fucking 20 if you want to. So if you want to be on your, so if you buy Call of Duty, buy it on your profile, then you play that on your profile, and then yeah, when you want to play GTA and you don't want to buy GTA on your account and start all over, go to my account and play it on my account. That's it.
Oh yeah. I've got. I think it's called Steam. Is that a PlayStation thing?
Jared, look, Justin saying 1 year PSN is 561 Black Friday.
Oh wait.
And Steam is not a thing with PlayStation, dog.
Oh, okay, right. Then fuck, because I got GTA 5 on that.
No.
Trader X, is that your display? Is that you in your display picture?
Don't know if that's a guy or girl. Is it?
It's Trader X from Discord. Yeah, guys, I was doing some maths last night, eh? So listen here, just listen here, everyone, just bear with me. Okay, OnlyFans, alright?
Oh goodness. Yeah.
And I just came across this girl on Instagram with like 1 million followers, alright?
Okay.
She has an OnlyFans. So I didn't go into it, okay? I didn't go into it, nothing. I'm just saying. But she has like 1 million followers on IG. So let's say even 1% of those 1 million followers subscribe to her OnlyFans.
Yeah.
That's 10,000, right? 1%. Yeah. 10,000. So she can charge $3 a month.
Yeah.
And make 30k a month.
Yes. Dude, no, listen to this, right?
Guys, that is insane.
There's this girl that I know.
I'm not going to be my photographer.
Fuck.
Yeah, but listen to this.
Fuck that, I'm starting my own one.
There's this girl that I know. She was offered. I actually spoke to her about this. She was offered. She's got quite a big following on Instagram, right? And she's fucking proper sexy. And somebody reached out to her and said, "Listen, we'll pay you." I think it was something like 200k a month, right, to start her OnlyFans. The thing is, they own the OnlyFans channel. They shoot all the content, and they tell her what to do. Hey?
Well, this is what I was thinking yesterday. They make so much fucking money. Surely there's a way for me to get a piece of the pie, dude. I'm gonna do that. Okay, maybe not, but like, cash. Think about it. What, 200k in rands, right?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
That's nothing. That account's printing money.
Salary, bro. Dude, that's literally a doctor's salary, bro. Just to Yeah. Yeah.
Bad baby. Yeah, I think that's the spelling. I don't know if that's the pronunciation. Made 50 mil in 1 year on
That's
OnlyFans,
dollars,
bro.
bro.
Listen,
Wait,
yeah.
actually, check how much that is.
Nah, bro,
50
fuck
mil.
that.
That's more
For
money than
selling
she's
food.
ever made from anything else
Yeah.
she's ever done.
Oh, fucking duh. Because the thing's stupid probably too, bro. That's what she went into in the first place.
Jeez.
Well, I think there's a lot of like influencers and that who are starting OnlyFans because clearly the money is pretty good.
Yeah.
And I mean,
Yeah, repeats. He's
I don't know
Jeez,
what.
That's almost like.
Wayne, come on, dude.
Wait, what did Wayne say?
Wayne called Connor out. He knows exactly who Connor's talking about.
Is it the one? Is
said-
it that name?
Mercedes no, I haven't heard of. No, it's not Mercedes.
But apparently you can get all their content on Reddit.
Probably
Oh.
can, dude.
That's what Andrew Schultz is saying.
What? These OnlyFans girls?
Yeah, that you get. Yeah, all their content gets leaked and put on Reddit.
That's cuck funny.
Yeah.
Shame.
Dude, 40,000.
Connor, let's play chess, bro. Come. 10 minutes. I'll clap you in 10 minutes. Come quickly.
Okay, yeah, we can play chess. Stop loss on gold too big? Not yet.
Come in on. I'm gonna get slapped now, my friend.
Wait, I need to just.
You're taking that long. Now I have
I
to
need to
clap
log
you in
in
8.
here. I need to put my password in and shit.
Yeah, now I have to clap you in 8 minutes. My goodness. Justin says he can confirm it gets leaked on Reddit.
Yeah. He's done the research. Eh?
He's a clown, that thing.
But dude, just a simple Google search, you'll find all that content. But the thing is, I get it though, because it's all like neatly presented. You don't have to go search everywhere, and also you're like supporting the person, if that makes sense.
And you can talk to them, dude.
No, you're not speaking to them, dude. I'm sorry.
Yeah, they probably have someone running it for them.
100%, bro. There's old men in their fucking 50s that are sitting there, and you speaking to them, bro. There's not a
Dude, I'm
chance
telling
she's
you,
gonna
there's a
take
way
time.
to get a piece of this pie. I'm
Jeez.
telling you, I'm gonna pay someone.
But dude, there's a thing you don't have to show like explicit content on OnlyFans. OnlyFans was created for your fans to support you in whatever endeavor you're in. So you could almost start streaming on OnlyFans, if I'm not mistaken, of
What?
trading, and then people can go and pay for that. I swear. I
Hey,
promise.
chat. Let's go. $3 a month. That's all.
Dude. Oh, really?
That's already. I mean, with all the subs, that's like nearly $6,000 a month.
Dude, look at Connor fucking rubbing his hands there.
Just barking some ideas, yeah, bud.
Connor,
Shit.
this is not why we got into streaming, okay?
I think maybe Chad is not aware that stream is starting late. I don't know.
Where is it?
Don't know.
Fabio, you never started even thinking of coming dogs and oh my goodness, that is not good, eh? Wait,
Never
that's not good, eh? Let's not do that, guys. Let's try earn
Okay,
money
Chad,
through
relax.
actual fucking trading, eh? Not putting peanut butter between our toes. Eh?
Wait, how do I? Okay, here's Nico. Nico,
Oh my Jesus Christ. I don't know, this is how we're doing it.
are you ready to make our first OnlyFans content, bro?
Oh,
Yes, let's do it.
You're about to get mated, bud.
That's fine, probably, but it's okay. I'll take it. Come. Send me invite. That's on me.
I think it's waiting for you.
But I don't get shit. Where am I meant to go?
if anybody wants to
Okay,
buy buy something on stream. We want Confessions ZA t-shirts.
Nah, that confession, like the page is cool and everything, but I don't know, people like that shit too much.
Yeah, but it's fucking funny, some of the stuff.
You'll never find me wearing a Confessions ZA shirt, bro.
Nah,
You could
dude,
not
no,
pay
no,
me
no.
to wear one of those
You-
shirts.
There's a dope one. Wait,
Nah,
just-
it's funny. Sorry.
It's an open cooler, right? That says it just says Bender December, dude. That's pretty dope. Wait, who's black, who's white?
Connor's white, I'm black.
What?
Okay.
I'm white, Connor's black.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So Connor's black.
No, I'm white.
Yeah. No, Connor's black, I'm white.
Nico.
Yes, Dad.
Jeez.
I know that.
Jeez, and Connor can't even see colors, but you're getting confused, Nico.
No, I'll be the white. Because Connor knows how to play this shit, bro. This is my 6th game ever in my life.
I don't even know. Let's play checkers. Break out the old checkers board and I'll be in.
Let's lure each other. We can do that too.
Wait, so where you guys play?
Wait. BardenChess.com. Chat stops are about 35 pips, which is still reasonable. Targets here about 37 pips. If we re-break this low, I may delete sell stops.
Oh, so last night we went out to this pool place, right? And if you bought a Vintage draft, you got a chance to go into the golf simulator, right? So they like in the back room they had a golf simulator, and then you get 3 free hits. And if you landed on the green, right, then you got a free like gift, right, like prize. And then I got a Vintage draft power bank, okay? A leather power bank, dude. It is so sick, dude.
Wow, because obviously you landed on the green, yes?
Yeah, I got a
Nice, Jared. Well done.
Thank you, guys. Oh, dude, this thing looks sick. Eh? Yeah. Look at you guys focusing here. This is rubbish.
This is intense, dude. I have
Wait,
to
did you
beat
just
Nico.
do the thing that you showed me, bro?
Hey?
Fuck, I can't remember. What did you tell me? How did you do that thing that you just swapped them again? That you spoke about?
So click on the king,
Yeah?
and then you're gonna see it's gonna give you like 2 dots. Yeah, there we go.
Oh. That's just, I don't know you could do that.
You
Oh,
see
but
now your
fuck.
king is more safe now because he's in the corner, protected.
If you say so. Bushy king was, but anyway. Push.
Puss.
But I also see there's some few games on Discord that you can play.
No, I've never seen that, to be honest with you.
What, like chess and that?
Yeah, let me go quickly look. I was having a look.
I've never seen
I
that.
wanna promise you.
Yeah, it's on Discord.
Starts
I've
at
also never
8:15.
seen.
And then there's Blazing Eights. There's Watch YouTube Together. There's Bobble League, which is like soccer. There's Putty Party.
Patty party.
Yeah, it's like where you putt. It's like golf. There's Poker Night. Oh, Oaks, we should host a Poker Night.
I don't know how
Yeah.
to play poker, to be honest, but we can.
There's
Poker.
Sketchy.
Connor, do you know how to play poker? No, you said blackjack, you know how to play.
I can play poker, but I'll need to just have a refresher.
I can also play poker, like, obviously I don't know nothing, but I don't really know what the fuck. So.
There's Chess in the
Just
Park.
keep on, it's already Connor. Focus, man.
Hey?
There's Land IO.
Come on, get it done. Eat one out. I fucked up.
Oaks, did you hear that? There's
I don't want
chess
to.
and there's checkers.
What did you move? The queen.
Yeah. I mean, I just enjoy chess because it's like, it makes you think. It gets my brain going.
What also makes you think is how much money they're making on OnlyFans.
Bro, tell me about it.
Yes, we're the wrong streaming notes. I don't know who came up with this cuck idea. Yeah, raving. The new 30-minute candle has opened on gold, and we currently, on the previous 30, we closed bearish. But we are sitting at a resistance, possibly turn support, chat. So I think if we do break the low of the previous 30-minute candle, it's going to be a tough one to carry on driving right now.
Yeah.
So
We've closed on that previous resistance, but breaking these previous 30-minute lows, I'll probably have to delete bar stops here. Check at GJ. Had this drop down here and come back all the way. Looking like maybe we're grabbing liquidity for the news. Breaking previous 30-minute lows here on gold, so I'm going to delete these bar stops.
Jared, you offended that he said you're too poor for OnlyFans, girl.
fucking dumbass.
What?
The guy said, we too poor to afford an OnlyFans chick. So Jared put him in timeout.
X1
Who said
Mark,
that?
X1 Mark. Said,
Oh, fuck, that's funny.
oh, dude.
Bro.
What's these hands, dude? Yeah,
With my calculations, that's true though.
yeah, I know, yes.
Fuck, funny.
Dude, imagine your Betty earning like, dude, imagine your Betty is earning $50 million a year. Okay? Dude,
But that's also like in relation to how many followers you have, you know, you're not just gonna...
yeah.
Nico, what did you do? Why would you do that?
Chess, fuck. What did I do?
You gave away your queen.
Do you want
Nico.
to come for OnlyFans, bro? Relax, man. Relax.
I would play golf and gym only. Dude, I would be on the couch in my boxes the whole day. And then I'd still call her on her way back from the office and say, babes, don't forget to get extra cheese on my pizza tonight. Like, $50 million a year, dude. Okay, now I'm raving, but I don't know, dude. I would work, but you, dude, $50 million a year. Alexa.
Shit.
Can someone just give you a funded account every other day of the week, eh?
Why did you shit? What are you seeing that I'm not seeing?
No,
Yeah,
you fucked
check
either
it.
way.
No, I'm proper fucked. But I'm trying to say, I think why you said shit for. Yeah, that's not much.
I'm sure I have like checkmate in one move, yeah.
One move. Go fuck yourself. Tell me that
Okay,
one move.
that was actually quite a... I see the idea behind that, but I think you shot yourself in the foot.
Why does that give me a check straight away? Don't I get you chow queen?
Because my queen is protected with my bishop.
Oh, up there.
Yeah,
Oh.
in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so if I did chow, I would have been fucked.
So if you left your castle on that previous square, you could have moved your king onto that square your castle is on now to get away from check.
Yeah, but I was watching your horse, not your...
So you basically... Yeah, no, I see that. So you basically like locked yourself in. Okay, but anyway, back to the trading.
Yeah, you want to play another one?
Just hold on. If gold here closes bullish on the 15-minute like this, you know, this still looks pretty good to drive up. 30-minute, I know we've closed bearish. Alright, but like I say, we are respecting previous resistance here. Your hourly still looking like it may flip bullish.
I would want a bullish closure at that support that was a resistance to continue moving up there before start pushing.
I'm waiting for a 15-minute kind of closure.
Just did, and I got into buys at 37.2, dude.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah. Worst 20 pips of my life. Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm grateful. It was my analysis, so at least it played out. So, Niku.
Yeah.
If you go onto Discord and then you check Wemos in a live call.
Yeah.
And then you see the bottom, you've got turn on camera, share your screen, and then start an activity.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm going to start checkers and then let's see what it does.
Oh, fuck.
Don't want to lose again.
Wait, but now with board spread across the server.
Oh, it's playing again.
I'm just thinking, yeah. I think if we replace those exact same bar stops using this current 15-minute as our stop loss, we can still get like a 1-to-1 here.
I think you need to buy nitro.
What is this nitro story on Discord?
It just gives you perks, like you can upload bigger files, when you share your screen you can do it in HD. It's things like that that make it like more pleasant, but it's not necessarily it's not necessary if you don't have it. It gives you those few upgrades that make a difference. It's like for work and this and that. But it's not expensive. I think it's like $3 a month, something like that. Yeah, it's
$3 a month.
It's $10 a month. $10. So it's upload 500 megabytes of files, custom emojis, HD video streaming, custom profiles, and more. On my old Discord server, there was this app that you got, this gaming app, and when you signed up for it, then you got free Discord boosts for I think it was for 6 months or something like that.
Oh yeah, the boosts. What do the boosts do?
So basically, if you see at the top left of your Monster Money trading server, you get boosts. Then people in the server can buy these boosts to give us nitro.
Okay.
So we've already got one boost. I can't remember who gave it. I think it was
Seth.
Yeah, it was Seth.
Seth the legend.
Yeah.
Seth is actually a I like the analysis and stuff he sends.
Yeah.
Once in a while.
But where the hell is Steve? Hey?
I actually did message him on Discord. I don't know where he is.
Somebody needs to DM him on Instagram and see what's going on there. I think he's gone.
Stefan now says, boys, hier is some kak vibe met XAU massa. Fuck. Tell me about it.
Yeah, I told you there are 45 Afrikaans speaking people in South Africa. You just didn't know about Connor.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Guys forgot about me.
Exactly.
Steve is lost at sea. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Wait, actually, what did I say to Steve?
Maybe you upset him, Con.
Always. Yeah, he said he's just taking a break from trading.
Oh man. Charlize.
Wait, no, he's saying what I think he's saying. Charlize Theron. Charlize Theron.
He also went viral for saying Masterpuss on that interview where they asked her to say something in Afrikaans, and then she said that. Yeah, it was funny.
September 23rd, we had this PMI data released. Positive, let's see. September 23rd. Okay, yeah, this is when we had those interventions, so I don't think this means much. September 24th. Yeah, we'll have to see. I think regardless of how news comes out, I'm only really taking buys on GJ above 168,200, and then for sells, not too eager on sells, to be honest.
Yeah, but I'm not in love with the idea of buys right now on gold or sells.
Yeah, no, gold.
Gold's a bit tough at the moment.
Gold is in a range at the moment, an intraday range. I mean, sells below 167,760 on GJ are not the worst.
DJ says, do you want to know if your girlfriend or wife has an OnlyFans account? Register an account, type in her email. If the text says email is already in use, then she has an account. That's fine. As long as she's earning $5 million, $50 million a year, I'm happy. Yeah. All smiles, eh?
That's actually pretty hectic.
Yeah. But then vice versa, she could do the same to you and see you have an account to watch other people. Eh?
Like this.
Yeah, okay, we can. Gold. Yeah, gold broke previous 30-minute lows, moving back down. As you can see, we are in this range right now. Maybe a fake out here of 1742. Yeah, I mean, your previous 4-hour candle was bearish here. We have broken previous 4-hour highs, but if this 4-hour candle comes and flips bearish, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if then at that point we come down and fill this wick.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
But we can see that the previous 4 hour closed basically on this 4 hour support, and then off of there we had quite a strong move up here in gold. I don't know. I don't want to look too deeply into this range. We'll see how price is setting up, maybe on the hourly close. To be honest, I would rather wait for a 4 hour candle closure here, because if we do close bullish on the 4 hour, you then maybe have a wick to fill to the upside. Otherwise, breaks of this previous 4 hour low, like I say, to fill this wick right here. But keep in mind, we've got PMI for the dollar later today as well, new home sales, and we have FOMC meeting minutes tonight. So we could see further ranging up until this evening. As you can see already, direction in this range is just starting to get choppy. GBP USD sell. You're more than welcome to send a chart to the Discord. Link is in the video description. I'm sure we would all love to see your analysis and reasoning for sells on GU.
Banner.
Yeah.
I can feed the fish. And play some chess.
Okay, cool. Let me know when you're done. NJ about to drop. What is NJ?
XAUUSD GBPJPY.
Oh.
But I like that idea of the 4 hour flipping. It doesn't seem too bad to me. Flipping back bearish.
What I'm thinking is, and I'm trying to think of how I can explain this. So let me get my zoom annotate up so I can draw something out here.
$330 is a buy on gold. That's the worst analysis ever. That is officially worse than Jay Smith's
Going long on a short.
What happened?
Not Jay Smith. Stefan Null says at 3:30 you must buy gold. That is probably the worst analysis I've ever
Oh, it's
seen.
a news at 3:30. What time is this? Oh yeah, it's actually a lot of USD news today.
No, there's a ton.
Shit. Yeah, I think you guys definitely want to just be patient. If direction is unclear here on gold, just wait for that news to be released.
But it doesn't really matter because we just have to wait until 3:30 to buy gold. So
Yeah,
no,
sorry,
no,
I forgot.
No, dude, just can't get with the program, man.
Okay, I want you guys to just have a look at the 4 hour here. Visualize this 4 hour candle flipping and driving down to fill this wick. So what that would look like, guess you don't have to visualize it, I'll draw it for you. Okay, so once this candle comes down, flips. What's up with this shit? Hey, zoom annotate, please work. No, chat, what's going on here?
Yeah, is your RT man's in the chat, bro? Ask him.
Yeah,
Okay,
chat's there.
it's on the wrong screen, I think. Let me try again. Nope. Okay, here we go. CPT King. Sorry, bro. I did send a message on the Discord that I'd be starting late today. Okay, this annotate shit is pissing me off.
Hey, come on, gents. Let's get the locks up there, man. There's another 10 more.
Draw in with
Wait. I got it. Okay, so once this 4-hour flips bearish, alright, we would then expect this candle to come down and fill this wick. That's a possible scenario based off the 4-hour. So now if we zoom out, or zoom in, should I say, to a 1-hour, possible ways to execute upon that would maybe be if this hourly candle could come down a little bit further, maybe closing like that, engulfing that previous 1-hour candle, alright, and then as your new candle comes up, creates a top wick, and then comes down and breaks that current 4-hour candle low and flips, that could be our possible entry right there. And then it would look something like this. Stops above that current hourly candle, targets here to fill the 4-hour wick. Something like that. So I think that's one way we could potentially execute on that idea with what's happening on the 4-hour. I don't know if we'll have enough volume for that setup to play out. But it's just an idea. Taking any trades on gold? I did have bar stops. As this current hourly candle came down, or the previous 30 came down, created a bottom wick. I had bar stops on the break of that candle high, they never got triggered in. So they've been deleted. No trades here just yet. 1742, my bad. Gold is so volatile. 1 week it's in the 1700, 1 week it's in the 1600s. So I just getting confused. What the fuck?
Jared?
Yes.
Oh, so I'm done with the PS4, So you sure you're gonna take it? Because I want to make sure I'm gonna add my shit to it now.
Yeah. No, I'm taking it. I'll send you the money tomorrow. I get paid tomorrow. So.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna add my account to it now.
Okay. Shot. Thank you. Yeah, Nick is gonna take the money I'm paying for the PS4 to drive it up here. Then he's gonna drive back down. Con, do you know how you can ship something like that?
No. No, I'm the wrong person to ask when it comes to that kind of stuff.
Okay. And then another question, did Niku's birthday gift arrive?
It's arriving today.
Okay, shit.
So yeah, looking to the left, Alright, this most recent support right here. I think it would make sense to execute on that sell idea that I've just illustrated. If we could actually close below that level. Because for the most part, if we're looking right here on Monday, when we broke below that support, we had that nice clean move down for 50 pips. And then when we broke below that support again, same story. So we just need a closure below 1638, or 1738, my bad.
Yeah, so Wayne says Postnet or Korea guy. So I rate Postnet because there's one right by my house. But yeah, we'll chat about this later, Niku.
DHL.
No problem.
Holy shit.
Justin, please
Yeah,
read. Send me my password for my account, please, on WhatsApp if you remember it. Because I don't fucking
Send it
remember.
in chat, Justin.
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna get hacked tomorrow, aren't I?
Postnet to Postnet, $100.
Yeah, that's. But do they bubble wrap it and?
Hey, you can send it through Pep as well. That's actually, I know you can send it through Pep. They have a thing where they send it to a Pep store near you.
I'll wrap it, Jared, don't worry. I'll make sure that it's fine. Because we fought in it. And then I'll just put, because I don't have the PlayStation box, I'll put it in a box, so then I can just make sure that box is like thingy. No, Justin, top it out, bro, please. I don't want to go onto WhatsApp, my friend.
I love how people are subscribing. But we probably spoke the biggest amount of rubbish in the last hour.
Tell me about it, dude.
If we ever have on stream, eh? Those are the loyal ones. Eh?
Much love.
Yeah, Fabio says they do all that at the post, and then I'll just send you a little bit of extra money, Nico, just to pay for that, and then we know it's sorted.
Yeah, you fucking better.
Of course. Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Fucking hell, eh? Yes.
Justin, why is this not working? No, now you see, now you send it. Justice. Doesn't make me
Each and
angry.
every time I come on here, I'm abused. Chad says, Kunch null poch.
Good luck with that one.
Use Budo 50 rand locket.
Pudo, yeah, I think that's, isn't that Pep? I'm sure Pep is Pudo. You take your thing to Pep, you pay like 60
I
bucks.
can't take Budo without. Fuck's sakes.
Oh,
Thing is, Wayne saying I'm really taking my pre-workout.
Dude, could you imagine giving pre-workout to a fucking border collie? Yeah.
oh, Pep is Paxi, my bad.
You have another
Nah, I just know, my girlfriend was selling clothes online on Yaga, and then they would use Paxi to send it.
I think Postnet is going to be the easiest because there's literally, I can walk to one and be back before the hourly close. It's literally, I could piss on it from my balcony.
Before the holy close. Okay, Chad, I'm coming now.
I'm going to go to Postnet quickly and see how far it is from there. Thank you, Connor. I appreciate that. I don't know if you heard me. You probably didn't. Like bearish on gold, which is a very good thing. Obviously, just running through the time frames, we still are bullish on the 4 hour, which is an indication that we could possibly create support before coming and filling that wick to the upside. But yeah, we will just wait for the 4-hour flip in order to take sells again, just in case anybody's waiting on gold. So yeah, and then we're gonna look to drive down to 1732-ish. But yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how it goes.
Okay, looks like we will not get that close below 1738, but very strong rejection to 1744. Okay, scratch that. Hourly
That's why
not
we're
bottom
not-
wick.
That's probably gonna run up now. Watch. A bottom wick.
I was just gonna say, if we're seeing some dollar strength here on DXY, you know, maybe I'll do the sell impulse entries even if we don't close below 1738. Nice strong closure here on DXY.
And I also saw that the daily just flipped bearish as well, so
On gold.
yeah. That's also a good indication we might start gliding back down. I mean, on Sols and NAS 100, I think that's a little bit early for NASDAQ. But
I used to trade NAS at this time.
really,
Mm,
that was an afternoon thing for me. Well, not all the time, but there was a lot more volume in New York for NASDAQ.
yeah, there's a lot more, but I mean, there can be clean moves in London. They're just nothing compared to New York or later in the day, NYSE.
Yeah. Sorry, Nico, you asked?
Yeah, I mean, download GTA for you so long or not?
Nah, I think GTA is chilled. Could you maybe download like a shooting game like Warzone or some shit like that?
I have Call of Duty Modern Warfare on my account. It's
Oh,
number
yeah.
one. So you want me to download that for you?
Yeah, but I've also got pretty quick Wi-Fi as well, so it shouldn't be too much of a hassle to download. Anything
Nah,
you need.
no, but I mean, it's your choice. So I can just leave it
Oh,
on.
yeah. Nah, please. And please also quickly buy me.
Oh wait, Warzone 2 is free, but wait. Let me just look. Warzone 2 is free, the new Warzone. So I can
Really?
start that on. Yeah, so I can start. You can play Warzone, like the Modern Warfare. You can play the new Warzone for free. It's when you want to play the actual game that it costs money.
What do you mean play the actual game?
Like you want to go play multiplayer and go play against other people and like online against each other, like in like a small map.
Oh,
Like
I see.
you can set you opening. That's on Warzone, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Comes with DMZ. Don't know what that is.
It's
Yeah, but a lot
a new mode that it's like very realistic, like, fucking realistic. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of volume here on gold.
Yeah, I started the download for you.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Dollar moving up here. If we have sell stops on the 4-hour flip, stop loss above the current candle for 35 pips. Break even point maybe at this 30-minute support or hourly support here for 13-14 pips. First targets are about 34 pips away, and then runner targets about 99 pips. So I'm gonna sell stops here on the flip of the 4-hour candle.
Tell me the number there, one. We can get it from
17.
1736.37.
Yeah.
You get that?
no, sorry, say again.
1736.37. So 36.37. And then stop loss is going to be above the hourly candle con.
Yeah.
Or previous hourly. Right. And then stop
Current
loss is
hourly.
going to be. Right. Let me quickly put that in so I can read it to Nico.
840. Sorry, 1739, 840. 850.
So 17.
39.850.
The small stuff off, but not.
No, it's like 30. Oh, it's reasonable.
33 pips.
35 pips.
That's not right. What is this place for? 4 hour?
Yeah, 4-hour.
You
It's
know
just
what?
crazy that this 4 hours pushed up so heavily and then come back all the way down. About to flip bearish, so we've grabbed a lot of liquidity now. If this candle flips, previous 4 hour was nice and bearish. I'm expecting us to fill this wick here.
I'm annoyed.
Wow.
Because all my sales were before this 4 hour wick that's going down.
Dude, this move up, I don't know. Maybe just a liquidity grab to continue down throughout the day, but there's so much news later.
Yeah, Jared, this download will be done in like 30 minutes, dude.
Oh shit.
Then I think I'm just gonna give the PlayStation a wipe down, make it nice and sparkly for you. Want me to add some glitter I can, and then I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the box.
Oh yeah, shot.
I want to see something here.
I'm gonna set some rude shit on this game. Yeah, but Tarkov is only PC, guys. So like PlayStation people can't play Tarkov. But I've heard about Tarkov. Fucking one of my mates almost lost his job to Tarkov. Or his business, I should say, because he's his own boss.
Sure. Nico, you're gonna send it today, then also gonna send you the money tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna just find it. Oh, actually, I can't. I'm a little bit busy today, dude.
Okay.
So, but if I get, the thing is, I also don't think I have bubble wrap. I'll just get a piece of bubble wrap and then I'll wrap it.
Alright. You can do that at Postnet. I'll do that for you, and then I'll just pay the price for that. So I'll pay for shipping and all that as well. Obviously.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'll go have it wrapped and I'll give them a call actually and ask them if I bring a PlayStation in without a box, can I wrap it and put it in a box and see what they say.
Alright. Will you just send me your banking details?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, sure. Yeah, now Con, please can I have some pips to make up for this loss of money. Yeah.
It's coming.
You have a LAN cable, dude.
Cat 5.
It doesn't matter which one, to be honest, but do you have one?
I don't, but I have one at the office that I can go and crimp.
I can put my LAN cable in if you want.
But if you have an extra that you're willing to, I'd appreciate it. But I do have, but it's just at the office.
Oh, no, the one I have is an 8-meter LAN cable, so I don't know if you want it.
Right. Yeah, if you're not going to use it, then I mean, you can still throw it in. I
Alright.
appreciate it.
The thing is, I do think my LAN cable is not the one for fast Wi-Fi, so maybe not actually now that I think about it. It might not be what you want. You must maybe, what is that thing called?
Yeah, feel free to ask questions, bro. That's what the chat's for.
Look maybe to like get a LAN cable that handles the fast speed, So if that's the one that you have at the office, rather use that.
Oh yeah. Shoot.
Because you want like being on Call of Duty, 100%.
Oh yeah.
So the only reason for not taking these sells earlier is we haven't closed below this level to the left, 1738. So entries have to be based off the 4-hour flip here, which I suppose is a safer entry as well.
Yeah, chat, you guys are more than welcome to ask absolutely anything in chat. Get answer it to the best of our abilities. Sometimes we have to do some Googling first, but we'll try our hardest.
What is a pip?
In gold 2-hour time frame, is that a double bottom? Also, would that be considered a bullish order block at 1737 to 1732?
It's not like a SMC question.
Yeah, I don't know why you're trading the 2-hour. First of all, that's a very strange time frame. I've never checked that. And then I don't really know if it's a bullish order block.
Yeah, I think to sum it up, you're asking the wrong people. When it comes to order blocks and that, you know, as you can see here, we're just using support and resistance really. So straight and simple, I don't think we can really answer your question.
Yeah. Where are you guys from? Which city? Please unmod Chad so I can ban him.
Can't you ban him anyway?
No, I don't give
No,
it up.
I'll try to put him in timeout. I can't. Yeah, because he's a moderator.
CBT King's obviously from Cape Town.
Dude,
Appreciate the love, bro.
Let's someone take him off mod and put Wayne on. I think that's a good idea.
I think that actually is a good idea.
I think
Take
Wayne
Chad,
needs-
put him in timeout. Wayne
Nah, leave Chad. Chad's a top mod. He's employee of the month.
Exactly.
Wayne can come in and see if he can do better. So we can have another mod. Wayne, would you like to be promoted to mod?
Guess he's probably crying and screaming.
Nah, Chad, I want you as mod, bro. I'm not removing you. What means sell stops? So a sell stop is a pending order below the current price. So if I have a sell stop set here at 1736.370, as this candle comes down and moves into that level, my sell stop will get triggered in and I will be in sells here. You see now Chad doesn't want to be a regular. Chad gets the algorithm going.
Yeah, Chad, you know we're just joking. We love you, brother. We don't think anywhere.
I've been waiting for this day.
Chad, when you come to South Africa, I'll buy you a bunny chow. Don't worry, okay?
Okay, chat.
Yeah, man, Wayne's name's just gonna look so much sexier in blue, you know what I mean?
Yeah, dude. I like this idea.
That their names when their moderators are blue, by the way, in case you didn't notice the difference in color.
You see, if we were a proper company, what we would have done this morning is Niku, Connor, and myself, we've all had a 2-hour meeting about if we should make Wayne mod.
Yes.
That's how useless these meetings are. We could have sort of just been a quick decision.
At least 20 seconds to decide this, Wayne. We don't need a 2-hour conversation to know Wayne's worth it. 20 seconds. All we needed.
Okay.
Like a proper, at a big company, it would have been like 2 hours.
Yeah, it would have. I actually saw a post yesterday. They said that Elon Musk said this. I don't know if he did, but it was something with regards to meetings, saying like keep them short. Don't waste people's time, because yeah, big companies, they do have meetings that could have been emails. And
Yeah.
that's, you know, it is just a waste of time. Wayne, send a
Especially-
message to the chat. Your name should turn blue, bro. There you go. Look at that.
Hey.
Welcome to the Monster Money moderation team.
I didn't accept my Instagram request yet.
Okay, chat. Looks like we're about to get triggered in here. And I'm in. Sell stops have been activated. Stops above the current candle at 17.39.850 for about 35 pips. Break even point here is our hourly support. It's about 13 pips away. 13-14 pips. Initial targets are going to be 17.33 and then potential runners into 17.26. Don't expect anything crazy. We have news throughout the afternoon, so I would actually like to just be in and out here.
Yeah,
New
but
15 minutes just opened up.
volume is moving nicely, so I'm happy with that.
Lots of volume. Lots of volume.
Awesome. Some weird shit just happened to my fucking message trader. Was on entry meant to be 36.37?
Yeah, I think I got slipped. Mine's at 2.8. 36.28.
Bro, mine's 35.6. What the?
What? Maybe got slipped.
No, my MetaTrader froze. It wasn't loading. Nothing was loading. And then when it did load, it got me in. But that was where it got me in. That's retarded.
New 15 minutes. Pushing up quite heavy here, creating a top wick. We do want to see 17.38 being respected. So keep in mind this was based off the 4-hour flip. Stops above the current hourly candle. So I wasn't going to be too phased about that 15-minute candle closure, but it is quite normal to have a top wick being formed here. If we are to drive down, we shouldn't really see this hourly candle flip bullish after such a strong move down like that. Why do you take the trade at the low instead of waiting for a pullback? Genuine question. So like I say, this trade was based off the 4-hour candle flip. We have created a very steep top wick here on this 4-hour, grabbed a lot of liquidity to come all the way back down and flip bearish. Your previous 4 hours bearish. So on the flip, I'm expecting us to drive down and fill this wick. With the way I trade, I'm not really looking at highs and lows. I'm looking at what are the cleanest ranges to be executing trades in. I'm looking for the highest probability setups, the highest, how do I say this? The cleanest ranges where price should fill that range with volume. So we were looking for buys earlier on right here to fill this range with London open volume.
The highest probability trade.
Yeah. So the thing is, yes, that would have been buying at highs, I guess you could say. But at that point we have confirmations that price is quite bullish. Alright, we have confirmations and there is range here to move up. So with volume I was anticipating us to move up and fill this range. Whereas if you were buying from the lows here in this range, you know, I don't know, to me that's just a lower probability trade. I know catching sells off the highs, you know, looks really cool. Catching buys from the lows looks really cool. But, you know, sometimes that just is a higher risk, higher reward trade. So these are lower risk kind of trades. You know, if you were looking for these sells right here, after these 15-minute candle rejections, right, for an example, looking to take sells from these highs, you know, look how easy it is for price to come back up and tap you out. Whereas if you waited for this move to start materializing, waiting for volume and momentum to shift here, wait for a break of those lows. So for instance right here, you know, if we were focusing on this support and we had this 15-minute candle close below that support, you'd ask me that same question. Why am I taking sells at the lows? Alright, the thing is, at this point the momentum has shifted. We can see that price is moving bearish. Alright, there's no guesswork here. And then that's a much safer trade. Rather than hopping into sells on the first sign of bearish pressure here. So we've tapped 1738, showing signs of rejection. We do need to see this 15-minute flip bearish. Or a weak bullish candle at least. And then next 30 minutes, we'll obviously need to see this wick being filled. Have I ever thought about using ATR indicator? I've thought about using a lot of indicators when I started trading, and then I learned that price does not react to indicators. I determine targets and stop loss based off structure, based off candles, based off highs and lows. Something I spoke about in that video I posted on Sunday was that when it comes to technical analysis, alright, price is not reacting to our support and resistance. It's not reacting to lines on the chart, and it's definitely not reacting to indicators. Price is reacting to order flow. What orders are coming in and out of the market? And I truly believe the best way to determine this is simply by looking at the price action. And obviously understanding the fundamentals behind it. Fundamentals very important.
I think that's honestly a very good way of putting it, that it doesn't react to anything that you put on the chart. Price literally reacts to, you know, the volume coming in, the orders coming in from banks, hedge funds, institutions, and all we can do is just go with the flow. If we can see it's going bearish and we sell it, we're in a lot higher probability than just price going bullish, coming up to resistance and just saying, okay, I'm going to sell here because it's at a resistance. It's a stupid way of trading. And I mean, we've all made that mistake where price comes up and it's moving bullish, and it comes to such a level that you're like, no, it has to reject from here, it's too high, it's too this, it's too that, but it ends up just carrying on bullish. So remember, nothing is ever overbought, oversold, and whether you grab the 20 pips at the bottom of the range or the 20 pips from the top of the range, you're still grabbing 20 pips. We just have a lot higher probability.
Yeah. The markets are irrational, so the market really does not care about your opinion if it's oversold, overbought. And we've seen that a lot. We've seen that a lot this year. We've seen 100 pip drops on gold, and then, you know, maybe it'll consolidate. When I say, guys, I'm looking for sales here, people will come into the chat, say, but gold's dropped 100 pips, buy now. And then we see another 100 pip continuation to the downside. So you can't just base it off speculation, ideas.
I've also been in those scenarios, especially in COVID, where I had this idea that it's overbought, and I sold, and it just kept screwing me. You know, you can't force those trades.
The dip kept dipping.
Yes. Anything that was dipping in those cells was my counter.
Obviously, we're working with probabilities as well. But I've found that, you know, instead of chasing these insane entries, so sure, we closed bearish on that 15-minute up there. I was not looking for sells up there. Sure, these would have looked like amazing sells. I could have posted that on my Instagram story. Alright. Maybe sold something. Someone would have liked that. But to me, being patient, waiting for price to give me my confirmations, coming in second place, okay? I'm not focused on coming in first place, because the people that are truly moving the markets are a lot bigger than me and will outsmart me any day. So I need to be very, very tactical with my approach, and I don't mind coming in second place, grabbing 10, 20, 30 pips, being in and out. Alright, so I'm not catching this whole move down. I'm catching maybe the last leg if I'm lucky. Alright, and that'll be perfectly fine with me. You don't need to come in first place.
And I mean, a very good example of that as well is yesterday I took 2 sells in New York session, pretty much the exact same trade. First one didn't work out, gave it a second chance and it worked out. So sometimes it just, you're trading correctly, but the market's not ready to do that dip that you're expecting it to do. So you just have to sit back and say, okay, cool, you know, let me wait for another confirmation. If it mirrors this, then it's going to mirror it and I'll take the exact same trade. But not every time it's going to do exactly what you think, because you've seen it before. Like Connor said, the market's extremely irrational, and there's no way of just saying, yeah, it's going to do this now. I mean, it never just does this. You know, it does a million things differently every single day. There's no 2 days in the market that are the exact same.
What's the probability of price coming down? Probabilities have maybe decreased if we are closing bullish on this 15-minute. If your 30-minute can at least close below 1738, I believe you could still get a wick fill here. But I'm glad you brought that up, because at the end of the day, we are working with probabilities here. So if this trade doesn't work out, you know, that was just probabilities playing out. Previous hourly has a bottom wick on my broker. Not overly concerned about that. GJ news coming out. in 15 seconds. Obviously, I'm locked into gold right now. This move may materialize quite quickly if the news comes out good for the pound. Alright, looks like we'll close above resistance here on the 30 minute. There you go, closed above. So if news is good, I would expect some nice buys here on GJ. 30 minutes on gold has closed below 1738. So looking for that wick fill. Respecting that previous support quite nicely. $15 did close bullish here, still respecting that previous support, and we've had quite a strong move down, so a retracement is very normal here.
Let's go, gold. Let's go. What do you think, Con?
I love it.
That's when I start singing, then price starts pushing me.
Let's see how news came out for the pound, yeah. Good numbers, guys. GJ is looking real good to drive up here. If we could just come down and form a slightly steeper bottom wick, I would be very interested in these buys as we re-break this current candle high. How is this range so small? It looks huge. GJ, if it re-breaks this current candle high, stops below the previous 30 for about 37 pips, I believe this is a very high probability trade. Technically, this is what I've been looking for. Plus, numbers came out good for the pound here. We've got clean traffic to the left, above 168.290. Final targets up here at 169.040. Gold moving back down. Not a huge fan of being in two trades at once, but personally I really like what GJ is doing. So I'm going to enter GJ with half risk buy stops on the break of current candle highs. Stop's also quite big here on GJ. But it's nice that we're creating a decent bottom wick here. So about 36, 37 pip stops on GJ. Bar stop at 168. 375. Looks like we may be flipping bullish here on the 15 on gold. If we break previous 15-minute highs, I'm going to close 50% of my position. What's the stop loss on GJ? Previous 30 minutes. If we break above the previous 15-minute highs here, I'm going to close 75% of my position. So there you go. Closing 75% of my position here on gold for negative 20 pips, negative 19 pips. Just managing risk, not looking as clean as it was when he first got involved here with that 15-minute closing bullish like that. So I'd rather just manage risk on that and focus on what's happening here on GJ.
Oh yeah, but shot for StreamCon, I'm gonna be off. What time are you streaming tonight?
News is at 9,
9.
so I'll start stream at maybe 8:45, 8:30.
Shoot. I don't know if I'm gonna be back by then. I'm heading off to dinner tonight. So I'll let you know if I'm back. But if not, good luck with stream, and I'll check you tomorrow then.
Okay, cool, Joe. Check you, bro.
Shoot, shot for stream there. Check you tomorrow.
Just. Yeah, I think tonight I'll stream, but I'm not too sure about taking any trades with FOMC meeting minutes. I'd rather just do like a study session, and if anything is setting up really nicely, then potential trades, but we'll just see how it goes. Gold, your 30 minutes came up, created a slightly steeper top wick. Looks like we're still respecting 1738. GJ flipped, yeah, GJ 30-minute here has flipped bullish. Got a nice bottom wick. Once we re-break this current candle high, should be triggered in here. And I'm in. Stops are below the previous 30-minute candle for about 36, 37 pips. Break even point at 168.545. Final targets here will be 169. Gold not looking good. Alright, so closed the majority of my position at negative 20 pips. So not overly concerned. This is just a partial position here. If it hits stops, it is what it is. Managed risk. Did what I needed. Let the probabilities play out. GJ looking very nice here. Should have maybe we just wait for GJ right. Anyway. Four hour on gold looked clean, man. Looked really clean. The stars have basically aligned with GJ here. We had that closure above 168.290. We had good news for the pound. We had this bottom wick being formed, giving us opportunities for entry. Got clean range to the left. I don't know what more I could ask for. So what's up, Imran? Right, nice little push up right before that 15-minute close. closed with the top wick, looks good. Johnny Lon, welcome. Thank you for the sub. Present analysis on gold. Had sells here, managed positions, just got a small position still running here in a loss. Overall, quite choppy right now. This was based off the 4-hour flip. We did flip on the 4-hour, we just didn't get that volume to push us through. So if you zoom out, we are in a range. Direction is not all that clear. Your 30 minutes, alright, we closed below 1738. So if this current 30-minute candle can come back and break its own low, we may be looking at further downside. Maybe this previous candle wick being filled, maybe filling this range. Right, stops are going to be at break even here on GJ. And I'm going to secure 50% right here at 17 pips. So, yeah, gold didn't play out as expected. Like I say, I was expecting a little bit more volume on the flip of that 4-hour. But I suppose we've already seen quite a strong drop. So like I said, these pullbacks are normal. If we can respect the this 1738 level on this next 30-minute close, alright, there's still potential for us to drive down here. But I've managed risk since GJ set up really nicely. And this is the thing, if you're in a position, don't marry that position, because there's always going to be more opportunities. So if prices are going against you, manage risk and keep yourself fresh, because if you take a big loss, you know that, or if you take a full stop loss, you've lost more than you expected to lose. You know that may affect you psychologically, and you're not going to be as open to execute on your next trade, right? You're going to be emotionally sabotaged to an extent. So I managed risk, lost less than I planned to lose here on gold, alright, even though the trade is still valid. it wasn't looking ideal, and I didn't want to run the risk of hitting a full stop loss. I didn't want to run the risk of damaging my psychology to a point where I didn't want to execute if, let's say, GJ were to set up, which it set up really nicely here. Didn't second guess executing, and currently in a risk-free trade here on GJ with a lot of potential, I believe. Lots of volume, or volatility should I say. Up and down, up and down. At 168,800 here on GJ, I'll be looking to close another 25%. That's a daily resistance to the left, so just want to be aware of that level. Could we look for gold bars? I've discussed my thoughts on gold. Where am I from? From South Africa. GJ up about 30 pips, 20 pips. Cheers, DJ. Sleep tight. Have you been part of the DVS community on Discord? I did join the Discord for maybe a month or two, but I left it quite a while ago. I wasn't really active in it, but I watched on streams now and then. I've stopped watching any other streamers. I know we trade quite similar to each other, but this is price action. You a con man? No, not me. Like I say, I wasn't really active in it. Cold sell at 1737. Look, I've also got sells in here, but like I said, I've already managed risk. For the simple fact that price is going against me here. You had this 15-minute bullish closure. We broke those highs. Alright. I would definitely be managing risk now at this point. Like I said earlier on, this hourly candle here, if we are to drive down, we shouldn't see this candle flip bullish. So if we're flipping bullish here, clear sign that you need to take off some risk. Okay, looks like gold has hit stop loss. Like I say, managed risk. Did what I needed to do. Your hourly candle here on GJ will be closing shortly. So I'm going to close another 25% here on GJ at about 20 odd pips. So a risk-free trade on GJ, I've closed out 75%. At this point, I'm leaving runners into targets here at 169. Fundamentally and technically looks really good here on GJ. But you know, we do get these liquidity grabs on the new hourly open, so we can expect a bottom wick being formed, and I don't want to give up any of this profit. So like I say, secured another 25% here, and then just letting the runner do its thing, either break even or take profit. Cheers, Wayne. Check you this evening. I'm pretty much done for the morning. I'll just stay and see how this hourly candle opens up. It's also your new 4-hour candle. So yeah, we could get tapped out at break even here on the new 4-hour. I would expect to see some sort of bottom wick being formed. if we don't continue to see just this strong continuation and push up on GJ, what we could then look for is price to then retest this area at 168.200. So that would be what I'd be looking for here on GJ for the next opportunities. Obviously, I just want to see this trade play out, and like I said, this is basically me done for the day. Gold hourly closed bullish here. Overall, just ranging. Direction is not that clear. Tried to take advantage of that momentum earlier on, just didn't play out. The candle just recently formed on the hourly time frame. Is it a fake out on gold? This move right here. Yeah, I said that looks like a possible fake out. Anyway guys, that's me for the day. I'll see you this evening for FOMC meeting minutes. Going to be more of a study session. If there's anything lining up really nicely, we'll just see what happens. But I'd like to just sit and watch how it plays out. Alright, so risk-free trade here on GJ. I'll update you guys on Discord if I change anything. But for now, I'm just letting this run to either TP or break even. Alright, thanks for joining guys. See you this evening. Cheers. I will be live just before FOMC meeting minutes. So 8:30, 8:45. Cheers.